Welcome friends, welcome back to my another clean planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Tuesday 7 June 2022. Now morning time. This Tuesday morning I visiting a new natural place. Friends, you can see behind my back natural place. Actually it is a river, a small river in our country. The name of this river is Louhajang. Friends, one side river and one side very beautiful green nature, many type of green nature, really very beautiful natural place. Friends, this Tuesday morning I visiting this riverside and natural place. I walking here and I saw here some polluted garbage and plastic. I saw some plastic stuck in riverside green nature. So now I collect the polluted garbage and plastic from here and throw them in the dustbin. Friends, you know I always try to save the natural place. I always try to remove polluted garbage plastic from natural place, green nature, riverside, river water. So this Tuesday morning I try to cleaning this natural place. Really beautiful natural place, bridge. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে মঙ্গলবার সকালে আমি নতুন একটি প্রাকৃতিক জায়গায় এসেছি। আসলে একটি নদীর তীর, একপাশে নদী, একপাশে সবুজ প্রকৃতি, আমাদের বাংলাদেশের ছোট নদী লৌহজং নদী। তো আজকে সকালে জায়গাটি পরিদর্শন করেছি, এখানে হাঁটতে এসেছিলাম। এখানে আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা প্লাস্টিক দেখতে পেয়েছি, এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। ফ্রেন্ডস, দিস রিভার Louhajang river in our country, small river, river water, one side very beautiful green nature. Friends, now I try to cleaning this place. Let's go friend, cleaning mission start now. Friends, and a bag in my hand, big bag. Now I collect polluted garbage and plastic from here. First I saw one newspaper stuck in green nature, riverside green nature, very dirty. So I collected this newspapers, and I saw here one cigarette pack and plastic stuck in green nature, very dirty plastic and cigarette pack. This cigarette pack very dirty polluted product. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন cigarette pack, plastic. Friends, I saw another plastic, big plastic stuck in green nature. This is a very old and big, very bad polluted plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন really very bad polluted plastic. Very dirty. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। river water, one side green nature, really very beautiful natural place. I saw here another plastic and garbage, old plastic, another old plastic, very dirty. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন very old polluted product, plastic product. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। another plastic stuck in green nature soils. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করব। প্লাস্টিক, ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন another newspaper stuck in soils, riverside soils, আটকে গেছে। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন one more plastic, whole plastic. friends. This river water, green nature, river water. I saw another cigarette packet here. Cigarette pack. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন, another plastic stuck in green nature, plastic product সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। One more plastic stuck in soils, green nature soils. আমি এটা টেনে তুলব। দেখেন, very dirty, really very dirty. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম, মাটিতে আটকে ছিল। Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our natural place, our riverside, river water. Very dirty and polluted plastic. Another plastic is stuck in soils, green nature, very old and dirty. Very dirty plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I saw here many polluted plastic stuck in green nature, riverside, green nature. আটকে আছে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি। এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করব। Small plastic, big plastic stuck in green nature. So now I try to collect polluted plastic, old plastic from here. Another plastic, big plastic stuck in soils, green nature and soils, very old. Friends, I saw here many old plastic. Another 1, 2 old plastic, very old, very old. Another plastic is taking green nature, riverside, green nature. One more plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন, এই প্লাস্টিক। Friends, I saw another plastic, big and old plastic, really very bad, polluted plastic, very dirty. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, very dirty. One more plastic, এটা সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic here, another plastic. Friends, I saw another old plastic, very old, really very bad, polluted plastic. This. Friends, I saw another old plastic, old and big, really dirty, polluted plastic, old plastic. Friends, this old plastic is really very bad for our green nature, natural place, riverside, river water. I saw one more plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, very dirty. Friends, I saw another big plastic here. আমি সংগ্রহ করব। stuck in soils, green nature. এগুলো নরম হয়ে গেছে, সফট প্লাস্টিক, ছিঁড়ে যায়। One more plastic stuck in soils, big old stuck in soils and green nature. Really very bad, friends. Big, very big. Shit, very big. মাটিতে আটকে ছিল, দেখেন। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, very big plastic stuck was soils. মাটির ভিতর দিকে এই প্লাস্টিকগুলো আমি টেনে তুললাম। ভেরি ব্যাড, ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক, ওল্ড অ্যান্ড বিগ। এটা আমি এগুলা মাটির নিচ থেকে টেনে তুললাম। Really very bad, dirty, big plastic, friends. Old cloth and another old plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, this riverside, green nature, really very beautiful place. I saw here another cigarette pack. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন cigarette pack. One more plastic stuck in soils, very old polluted plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I saw another plastic here stuck in green nature. এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Very bad, cigarette pack, old cigarette. Friends, I collected many polluted plastic, big plastic from this natural place, green nature, riverside green nature, riverside soils. I collected many polluted plastic from here. Plastic মাটিতে আটকে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I collected many polluted plastic garbage from here. Friends, full in bag. You can see polluted garbage, big plastic. I collected big plastic from here. Friends, full in bag. So now stop this bag because my cleaning mission finished now. Friends, this is my garbage bag. Now stop this bag. ব্যাগটি আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। Friends, stop this bag, garbage bag, very dirty. Friends, now this bag threw in dustbin of municipal. Let's go, friend. Big bag, full in bag. Friends, I collected polluted garbage and plastic, big plastic, old plastic from this riverside and riverside green nature. Friends, this place is very beautiful and big, so next time I again try to cleaning this place. Friends, I threw this garbage back in this dustbin of municipal. Thank you.